I want to though. Hold on.
Okay.
Okay.
Fats and bowls.
When we started out, fell in love with everything you were about. No, honestly, I never had it out. I guess my mind was way too full of clouds to figure out. Lost in love. Well, all along, that's what I thought it was. Forever used to seem like not enough. Till all your anger turned to push and shove. We falling off. I might open the blinds, girl, to see you now. I've been holding my tongue, girl. Don't wanna lie, I might open my life, girl, to let you out. I've been holding my tongue, girl. Girl, I might lie to you just to get through the night with you. Hope that's alright. Know you lie to me. It's only right that I lie to you to make it right. Don't let me down. Don't leave me hanging out in the clouds. Don't you be flaking. Who are you cold? You got me shaking. It's getting home. All of this faking. Funny how you act like your intentions are gold. You've been speaking your mind. The liquor got you bold. I guess I was wrong to think truth is what you told me. Reality sets in when there's plastic in your trophy. I might open the blinds, girl, to see you now. I've been holding my tongue, girl.
Okay.
Don't wanna lie, I might open my life, girl, to let you out. I've been holding my tongue, girl. Girl, I might lie to you just to get through the night with you. Hope that's alright. Know you lie to me. It's only right that I lie to you to make it right. Don't let me down. Don't leave me hanging. Don't let me down. Don't leave me hanging. I might lie to you just to get through the night with you. Hope that's alright. Know you lie to me. It's only right that I lie to you to make it right. I might lie to you just to get through the night with you. Hope that's alright. Know you lie to me. It's only right that I
Is it?
lie to you to make it right.
Might have knocked off my video antenna.